Hi, my name is Dhirendra Kumar Dubey, and I am the founder of Quantum P. Okay, so today we are going to start the course on Vedic maths. Okay, I'll introduce what exactly Vedic maths. Okay, apart from this, we'll discuss some of the techniques. Okay, and in this course, what we are going to do throughout. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. Okay, so just watch out the board, what I'm writing on the board. So basically, Vedic maths is uh, it's a ancient maths. Okay, it is introduced in Vedas actually. So like think about the in the modern term, like this Vedic maths is introduced by saint called Tirthaji Maharaj. He wrote a book on Vedic maths named as uh, like Vedic maths by Tirthaji Maharaj. Okay, it was written around from 1940, kind of around in Second World War. Okay, so he has written a lot of. He has written. He has jotted down around 14 sutras as well as a lot of sub sutras. Okay, so since then, when he wrote that book got a lot of famous in the term. Okay, and from there, Vedic maths has got a lot of popularity, and obviously because Vedic maths is used throughout nowadays in a lot of curriculums of schools. Okay, so in the Vedic maths, we are going to learn the chapters which I'm just mentioning out. Okay, so in Vedic maths, we will learn chapter wise. We'll not learn sutra wise. I'll explain all the sutras in chapters. Okay, so our first chapter will be multiplication. Okay, multiplication is the first chapter. Okay, so in the multiplication we have a couple of total 4 5 techniques which I'm going to tell you. Okay, then next we'll learn uh, addition. Okay, in addition we have again some 2 3 concepts which we are going to learn, and then we have subtraction. Okay, subtraction also has 2 3 concepts. Okay, which also we are going to learn. Like one of the concept is, I can say the name of that, which is uh, you can also write it down, all from 9 and last from 10. This is one of the concept used in subtraction. Okay, I'll tell you the Sanskrit name of each and every English whatever I'll use in the courses. Okay, now after subtraction we'll do division. Okay, so division has total 2 3 methods. Like one of the method name is flag method. I'll use flag method. Okay, then I'll use base method. Okay, base method division. Then I'll use some special method of division. Okay, after division we have like square. We have to study square. We have to study square root. Okay, square root. Then we have to do cubes. Okay, cube roots. Okay, so we'll study a lot of things. We'll do the sums in a very fast. Like the sums, like suppose think about we are adding 7896 into something 1293. We can solve this kind of sum in around 10 to 15 seconds max. Okay, if we do it manually, maybe it will take half minute, but we are going to do it in 10 to 15 seconds only. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn in this whole Vedic maths course. Apart from this cube, after this, there are other chapters also, which I will tell you in the next uh, class. Actually, okay. So this is the introductory lesson. We'll see the actual class will start from multiplication. Okay, then bye. Take care. Good day.